Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to my lovely student. How are you all? I hope you are all well at home. So welcome back to my mathematics class 4, chapter 9, halves and a quarters. Right, so students, earlier in SMM covered, continue to page number 103, right, till now, till page number 103, half page she explained. Now further page, that remaining 103 page I will going to explain. Okay, so let's see students.
So now next is half and a quarter of a meter. We have to find out the half of a meter and a quarter of a meter. Half means 1 upon 2, right, and quarter means 1/4. So students, before finding out the half and quarter of a meter, we should at least know that in meter how much centimeter is that. So here you can see that 1 meter means 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, right? So if you want to find out half or a quarter of a meter, we have to divide that 100 centimeter in a different equally fraction, right? So how? So here I am drawing it 100. Now we have to divide 100 equally in a two portion, right? What we have to do? We have to divide this 100 into two portion, but it should be equal. So means we have to find out the half of 100, right? Okay, so half of 100 is 50. So here I am mentioning it 50 and the 50, right? Now students, again quarter also we have to find out. Quarter means 1/4. So means we have to divide this 100 into 4 equal parts also. So once we divide into two portion, now again we have to divide this 100 into equally in a 4 portion. So we will divide this 50, both the 50, half of 50 in a half again. So that we will get 1, 2, 3 and 4 equal parts of 100, right? So okay, so half of 50 is 25. So same for the second 50 also, this month's 25 and 25. So here students, we divide this 100 into 4 equal parts. Now we are able to answer the question as given over here. So here students, using your meter scale, cut a string of a 1 meter, right? So here, have you ever seen this meter scale? While you are going in a shop, while you are going in a market, so the shopkeeper use this scale while you are buying a cloth, yes or no? Now on this string, mark the length half of a meter, 1/4 of a meter and the 3/4 of a meter. We have to mark this string while we are making the 1 meter string. On that we have to make it half. We have to mention, we have to tick half. Where is half of meter? So students, first we will do the half of meter. Do you remember this one? So half of meter how much? 50 centimeters. So half of meter is 50 centimeter. Then 1/4 of meter means from these 4 equal parts. Here we already divide 100 centimeter into 4 equal parts. Now among these 4 equal parts, 1/4 means we have to take one part among these 4. So here 4 parts, among them we have to take one part of that, which is called 1/4 of a meter. So 1/4 of meter is 25 centimeter. Is that clear to everyone? Okay, so 1/4 of meter we get 25 centimeter. Now we have to find out the 3/4 of a meter. 3/4 means what? From that 4 portion we have to take how much portion? 3 portion. So here we are having 4 portion of that, right? We have divide 100 equally into 4 portion. Now among these 4 we have to take how many? 3 portions. So means 1 and 2 portion and a 3. So 25, 25 and 25. So 25 plus 25, 50 plus 25. So if we are adding 50 plus 25, so what we will get? 0 plus 5, 5 and 5 plus 2, 7. So what we get answer? 75. So 3/4 of a meter. Okay, so here 3/4 of a meter we get 75 centimeter. Now students, using your string that you are making of 1 meter on using scale, right? Draw a line of a length half of meter on the floor. On the floor you have to draw a line using that string half of a meter. and you have to find out that how many centimeters long is the line, यानी line कितनी strings long है, yes or no? So how much long it is? 50. So now on the next page, which is your page number 104, here students we already find out it, half of a meter, how much centimeter? 50. So here we have to write down half of a meter is equals to 50 centimeter. Is that clear? Okay. Then second blank given that 1/4 of a meter, that also we find out it, that 1/4 meter we consider as a 25 centimeter. What we get answer? 25. Clear? The next one is 3/4 of a meter, means this one also we find out it, the 3 portion among this 4 equal part of a 100, we get how much centimeter? 75 centimeter. Is that clear, everyone? Here, that can you see that when we add half and 1/4, we get 3/4. So we will check this answer, is it correct or not? That here we found students, half of meter is 50 centimeter and 1/4 of meter is 25 centimeter. We have to check that if we are adding this one, this two number, if we are adding half of a meter and 1/4 of a meter, so we will get the 3/4 of a meter, this one. We have to check it. So half of a meter we get answer 50 and 1/4 of a meter we get answer 25. So we will add this, and if we will get answer 75, means this statement is true, that if we are adding half and a 1/4, we get 3/4. So 0 plus 5, 5, and 5 plus 2, 7. So what we get answer students? 75. Means yes, this statement is right, है ना? Yes statement right हुआ. Means if you are adding half plus 1/4, we get 3/4 as an answer. Is that clear? Now here students, next is given about the sharing milk. Now here we have to share a milk. So in this picture, there is a bottle which is full of milk. This bottle is filled by the milk, full of milk, and it holds 1 liter. In this bottle, how much milk is this? 1 liter. Right? Now the milk is put into 4 other bottles so that each bottle has 1/4 liter of a milk. Right? Means we have to divide this 1 liter into equally these 4 bottles so that each will get 1/4 of milk. Means here also 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 and the 1/4. Now we have to find out that if you are finding 1/4 of portion, means how much each bottle will get, and then we have to shade the part also. Here given shade the bottles to show the level of milk in each bottle. We have to shaded it, right? So students, before this, while I will explain you about the meter. At that time meter I also divided into first half, then in a 4 portions. So likewise I also divide this 1 liter, right? So before that you should know that 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. So that means we have to first divide this 1000 into, first we will divide equally in 2 parts. So 1000, half of 1000 is 500, 500. Right? Then again we have to divide this 500, both the 500 into 2 portions. So we will get 4 equal portion of 1000. Yes or no? So half of 500, which is 250, 250, 250 and 250. So now we get the 4 portion. So students, if you are dividing 1000 equally in a 4 portion, so how much each bottle will contain? 250 ml. So here in this bottle 250 ml. So each bottle we have to pour 250 ml milk equally. Is that clear to everyone? Now we find out that 1/4 of liter we get 250 ml. Now we have to shade the bottle to show the level of milk in each. So level of milk should be equal in all the bottles. So if you are doing so like this, so in every bottle you can use a scale, put a scale over here, so you will get the straight line and equally like this. So in each bottle you have to show the level of milk that each bottle will get, and you can shaded it using colors also, and if you want to shaded it using pencil only, you can shade it. Okay, if you want to shaded this portion using a color, you can shaded it. So, as in our last class, we have poured 1 liter equally into 4 bottles. So, every bottle will get 1/4, means 250 ml. Now, question is that how many milliliters of milk does each bottle have? So, here we already get it, that how many each bottle will get? 250 ml. So, here in the blank we have to write down it 250 ml, M capital and L small. Is it clear? Next, Shan poured 1 liter of milk into 2 bottles. Now students, before that here we poured 1 liter milk into 4 bottles and we have to pour it equally. So in the each bottle equal milk should be there, right? Now here we have to pour 1 liter into 2 bottles, but condition also given that so that the first bottle holds 3/4 of a liter and the other holds 1/4 of a liter. So in the picture students, we have to see that in the first bottle we have to pour milk 3/4 of a liter and here 1/4 of a liter, right? So for that students, we have to find out that 3/4 of a liter how much, right? This one, do you know that we divide this 1000 first in a 2 similar halves, means 2 fraction, right? Then the same number, means 1000, we will divide it into 4 equal parts. So each part we will get as a 250. Now we have to first took 3/4 of, means from the 4 fraction we have to took how much? 3. So here we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4. Among these 4 we have to took how much fraction? 3 portion we have to take. So 1, 2 and 3. So that means if we want to find out it, so we have to add 250 3 times, as we have to took 3 portion. So we have to add it. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15. So 1 carry over. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So what we get answer students? 750 ml. So here in this bottle we have to pour 3/4 of, means in this bottle we have to pour 750 ml. And in this bottle we have to pour how much? 1/4 of liter, means here from the 4 portions we have to took 1 portion. That means how much? 250 ml. So here in the second bottle we have to pour 250 ml. Is it clear? Shade the level of milk in each bottle. Now we have to shade it in the bottle. So here students, we have to pour 750 milliliter, means the third portion from the among we have to took a 3 portion. So suppose till here it is 750 we have covered, right? So this till here we have to mention it, shaded it using pencil, you can shaded it, and if you want to shaded it using any color, so you can shaded it. And here we have to pour for 1/4, right? So suppose this much, 1 portion from the whole bottle, this much, so you have to shaded it. Is that clear to everyone? Next is how many milliliters of milk does each bottle hold? So here already we mentioned it, that first bottle if we have to poured it in this bottle 3/4 of liter, means this bottle will get 750 ml, and in this bottle we have to pour 1/4 of a liter, means this bottle will hold 250 ml, and this one we already mentioned it. Is that clear to everyone? Now the next page number 105. Here students given we have to about the balance weight. Now students, this lesson we already till now not understood it. We are not explaining this lesson, but it's okay. I will explain you because it is same as like we are measuring the capacity. right? Because here you can see in capacity also 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. Likewise, for this measuring weight, 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. Okay, so here what it is given, students, choose the from the weights about to make the two pans equal. In how many ways can you do it? So students, here you can see this pan weighing balance. Do you understood? Here in the one pan there is 2 kilogram, and we have to put over here any you want to combination so that both the pans will be equal. Means in this pan also we have to put 2 kilogram, but not exactly the one only weighing, right? Here the given options. Now we have to make it using this one. Here the different give. Yes or no? So we have to use this for you have to make the combination for the 2 kilogram. So students, for that you have to remember it one thing, which is 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram, right? Why you have to make it? Because here see which weight balance given, 1 kilogram, 500 gram, 500 gram, 250 gram, 50 gram, then 200 gram, 250 gram, 250 gram, 100 gram and 200 gram. Now we have to use this all any of it to make it equal. Means we have to make it for 2 kilogram different combination. For example, for the 2 kilogram, first I will use that 1 kg, this one, right? So first I will use 1 kilogram, one balance, right? Then students, we have to make it 2 kilogram, right? So 1 kilogram we did. Now still how much remaining? Still 1 kilogram remaining. So 1 kilogram, there is no another 1 kilogram. We can take it 1 kilogram other one also, है ना? ऐसे 1 kilogram का दूसरा भी ले सकते हैं. Now still we have to make for 1 kilogram means 1000 gram. So you have to use this to make it 1 kilogram. So we can use this 500 gram, right? So 500 gram plus 500 gram, we will get 1000 gram, which is equals to 1 kilogram. So the another we can make it this 500 gram plus 500 gram. So that is all will equals to 2 kilogram. So that weighing balance I am drawing it. You can also draw it. First we will took 1 kilogram, right? Then we will took 500 gram, one, and the another 500 gram, right? Understood? Now students, you can make it different combination also. Like first we will took 1 kilogram also, right? First we will take it 1 kilogram plus for this 500 gram we can make it using this 250, right? Half of 500 we all know 250 grams. So we can take it 250 gram plus 250 gram, right? So 500 done. Now for this 500 students, we can make it different combination. Like see, we can took 200 and 200. First we will took how much? Plus 200 gram plus 200 gram. So how much we get? 200 plus 200, which is 400. So still how much remaining for 500? Still 100 remaining. So that 100 we will took it. So 100 gram. So this one, second one, we can use it to make a 2 kilogram. Okay. So students, you can also make your own different combination to make a 2 kilogram using this all the given. Yes or no everyone? Now next given students, in question A finished. Now draw the weights in the empty pan. So here already we draw it, right? 1 kilogram, 500 gram, 500 gram. Now next is students, in how many different ways can you balance this weight of 3/4 of a kg? Students, what we have to do over here? We have to find out, like here for 2 kilogram we already make 1 and 2 combination different, right? So likewise we have to also here 1, 2 and 3 different combination we have to make for the 3/4 of a kg. But you should know students, 3/4 of a kg how much, right? So as we divide this 100, we all know that 1000 milliliter, first we divide it, right? So first we will divide this 1000 into 2 halves, which is your 500 gram and the 500 gram. right? So here we get 2 fraction of 1,000. Now again we will divide this 500 into 2 equal parts, which is 250 gram, 250 gram. Likewise here also, so 250 gram and 250 gram. Why I have divided? So that we will get the 3/4 of kg. So 3/4 means here 1, 2, 3 and 4 fraction 1000 we already divided, right? Now we have to take how much from the 4 parts? 3 parts we have to take. So here 1, 2 and 3 parts. So here 250 gram plus 250 gram and 250 grams. So this all 3 parts we have to add it, so that we will get the 3/4 of a kg. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, so 15, 1 carry over, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So what we get answer? 750 gram. So now students, for 750 gram, we have to make a 3 different combination. It's not compulsory to make only one combination. Like for 2 example, I'll give an 1 and 2 combination. Likewise, you have to make for 750 gram. So 1 I will show you, and remaining 2 you have to do it as a homework. Is that clear? So for 750 gram, first I will took 500 gram one balance, right? So here first I will took 500 gram plus, so here 500 I have took, so 250, 250, and still we require one more, which is your 250 grams. So another I will took, which is your 250 grams. So if we add this two, we will get 750 gram. Okay, now this remaining 2 different combination, you can make it like this, students. See, 500 gram you can write down 200 and 250 gram, 250 gram. So 250 gram plus 250 gram plus 250 gram. 3 times if you will add 250 gram. Here we did yes or no. So we will get also 750 gram, right? Then 500 gram we will took, and for this 250 gram we can take it like this, 250. So also we get the 250 gram, right? So this 2 you have to do it as a homework. You can make it different combination, right? But the combination you are taking, addition should be to 750 gram, so that your answer will be right. Understood everyone?